Hey you guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you all an update on my Diva Curl damage. I'm sure you can tell the curls are getting there. They still are not perfect in any way, shape, or form. Okay? They're not what they used to be back in 2015, 2016. But every day and every time I wash my hair, I learn and I figure out, what is my hair like? What doesn't it like? Why is this not working? Do I need something here? So it's not always about what you use though, because I've used some products I've used for a long time and they're just not working right now. And I'm like, okay, let me figure out why, and I'm going to have like a slideshow of pictures going so you all can kind of see throughout the years. But the last time I used Diva Curl, a year and 2 months ago. So I will link my Diva Curl video because that's from January, and I feel like my hair has already changed for the better. Especially this wash day today is very defined. I am in shock. You all know my left side is the looser side, and look at it coming back. I told you all my crown is the tightest. Look at this. Look at that. Right there. Right in my crown area. This, like my elasticity is coming back. There's more curl at my root. Look. I'll give you all a back view so you can kind of see. I just want to be on here and, help you all. If you all are going through this, do not give up. This is not a lie. This is not a hoax. This is not fake news. This really happened to a lot of us. And a brand that, we trusted. I had used it on my clients. I used it for 4 years and never thought anything of it. It's just because, it worked at first. At first, oh my God, it's great, because I was using this, and that. And now, here we are. And who would have thought, okay? Like, no one. To me, I just don't understand how now, I saw this the other day, they posted about returning to their old formula. Oh, huh? I thought you said you didn't change it. And then now they have a sticker on there that said non-irritating dermatologist tested. Or was it not dermatologist tested before? Because people had balding. I had scalp burns. I didn't have severe hair loss, thank God. But I do feel like it did take away some of my density. My hair does not hold volume near as well as it used to. It would just naturally have volume. It's holding really good. So like I said, there's not a product that's gonna change your hair. What have I been using? I'm sure you all want to know. I have been all over the place, from drugstore to high-end. It does not matter to me anymore. I'm going to use what works. If that does not work for me, if it quits working, then I'm moving on to the next thing. I've been using Curlsmith, Bounce Curl, Aussie, Rizzo's Curls, Garnier, Herbal Essence, John Frieda, Zoto's, you name it. I've been playing with different concoctions, Mayel. I just ordered some design essentials, so I've yet to try them, but you kind of just have to figure it out. And I was using, a product for a while and it just stopped working. That routine, my hair right now, like I said, I am transitioning. So a gel was working and now it's not. That gel, I didn't use all September because it's not working. And I'm like, what is going on? Why is it not working? I don't understand. Well, it's annoying because you finally have something that you thought works and now it's not. But, it's maybe I need to just, what did I used to use? And that's what I've been doing a lot. You all know I've vlogged my hair since day one. I have vlogged my hair. So I've been like, oh, well, I used Shea Moisture and bounce curl there. Let me try it now. Let me see what results I get. I've also been using Shea Moisture. But but no product's just gonna bring it back. And it sucks, but you kind of just have to go through it. And you know, all September my hair looked a hot mess. None of my wash and goes did good. It was up in buns most of the time. It was frizzy. It literally looked like I had no product in it like half the time because none of my gels were giving me hold. So now I finally, this day did good, and you know, but it doesn't look like this every day. And I have videos and they're going to be showing of sometimes it's stringy, sometimes it's frizzy, sometimes it's flat, sometimes it's defined, sometimes it looks curlier than other days, sometimes my roots look curlier. It's literally transitioning. So as you all see these pictures, I just want you all to know and have some hope. Don't give up just because 1 week or 2 weeks or a whole month wasn't good, because today is good. And that's what you need to focus on, the good days. And it's okay to have bad days. You are transitioning. Your hair is going through a whole nother stage that it has not been through before. And it's trying to remember where it used to be, if that makes sense. So I hope, you know, that helps you all through this journey. And I hope you all can see my results and how far I've come from when this started. I mean, I think it's a very big difference, and I have my videos and everything, so you all will know that not every day is good, not every day my hair looks good. And even I posted on Instagram, I've just been in a rut. I did not feel like doing videos, I didn't feel like doing content, my hair wasn't doing good. I did apple cider vinegar rinses, clarified, used sulfate, deep condition, did Oplex. Nothing was helping me. And I think that's just because I didn't take a break, take a moment, and my hair has just been so damaged that it doesn't know what to do at this point. So just have hope and know that it will get better, but it's still not near what it used to be. And I believe that that will probably take 2 more years to get where I used to be. Maybe not, maybe earlier. But I think 2 years, because I used Diva Curl for 4 years. And just going through that, you know, I thought I found the brand that I could trust and that, you know, would go with me through the end. But no, I've been using Cantu as well. I'm all over the place, and that's okay. I'm over the curly girl method. I'm done with the whole, you have to use this, you can't use that. No, because guess what? My hair looks better when I use silicone. So why can't I use silicone? Why does our hair need to go on a diet to look better? I'm not doing that. I did that for 4 years. Now what? Like I can't. I'm done. I'm going to use sulfate. I'm going to use silicone. I'm going to use whatever I want because my hair needs it. I've not straightened my hair in 5 years. I've never colored my hair. So if I want to use silicone or sulfate, I don't see the problem. And it's fine. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and, you know, bash somebody for using silicone or sulfate, because guess what? They know their hair the best. If that's what works for them, then that's what they can use. So I feel like the curly girl method at this point, I'm done. I'm not going to be sitting here, oh, it has to, no, because it ruined my hair. And now apparently Lori Massey is redoing the curly girl method book. Oh, that's funny. Why? Because no, it does not help. I was fine using Cantu and Shea Moisture, and then y'all, oh, shea butter, coconut oil, and silicone, blah, blah, blah. And here I am today, looking back. When I used Cantu, wow, my curls were ringlets. When I used Shea Moisture. So I'm just going to use what works for me. And that could have silicone, that could have sulfate, that could not. It doesn't matter. I still love my brands that are all natural. But guess what? If I want to use my Aussie Moist Miracle for 3 minutes in the shower, I'm going to. And I'm not going to, oh my God, I don't need to be using that. Because no, it's helped my hair actually. So I just want to come on here to show you all these pictures and an update. And, you know, that's exactly what I've been doing. Here we are, October 1st, and you see the spirals coming back. You see the elasticity coming back. You see it. And there it is. But does my hair look like this every day? No, my hair does not look like this in a month. And that's just that's the real of it. I'm not going to come on here and be fake. Like, oh, my hair's look, oh, for 5 months my hair's, no, because it has not. It's been stressful. It's been like I've cried. I've been mad. I've been not wanting to do content because my hair did not look good. And it's sad that, you know, in this time, that's how it is, because that's how social media is. If your hair looks frizzy, oh, someone's going to comment on it. Oh, you look frizzy. Your curls don't look as defined. Blah, blah, blah. And I believe that my hair is still beautiful, but I believe that it will be even more beautiful when we get there and when we get to what it used to be. So I think that's going to be all for this video. I didn't want to make it too long because, once again, you all know what I've been using, and I still get on Instagram and show you all. But I want to show you all those pictures so that you know that it's okay to have bad days of hair. It's okay to have no product in your hair. It's okay to use silicone. It's okay to use sulfate. And that's okay. So that's it, y'all. I hope that this time next year it's even better, and that we can go on this journey once again together and see the progress. Okay, so that is all that I wanted, and that's why I'm documenting, and that's why I have all these videos to show, because I've been documenting. Even when my hair looks bad, it's fine. I want you all to see that. I want you all to see the real. I don't want to come on here and, oh, it's defined every day, because it's not at all. At all. I used to be able to go 8 days without washing my hair before Diva Curl. Now I go, you know, 5 or 6. But I usually, day one I style. When I wake up the next morning, I have to re-wet my whole head and restyle. Back then, can to and go. Literally, I did not have to do all that. So that is where we are. But, you know, this week I didn't have to re-wet all the way. So we're getting there. I see some progress. But yeah. So let me quit rambling. That's going to be all for this video. I hope you all see the progress. I hope you all, if you're going through what I'm going through, that you just get through it, and we will be in this together. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. So yeah. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.